Hello everyone. This is a video to give an online test using Google Classroom. So in this video you will learn how the students have to log into Google Classroom and how they have to give the online test and send the answer sheets in the form of PDF. So let's get started. So these are the few important things which we need to keep in mind. So the first point is a Gmail account should be created with your child's name itself. Then the second point, Google Classroom should be installed in your mobile phone. The third point, Google Classroom need not be installed if you are using laptops. It is already available in the Google apps. And the fourth point, always log in with your child's account when using Google Classroom. So these are the few important points. So separate videos will be sent regarding how to install the Google Classroom, what is the functioning and what are the features available in Google Classroom, how to create Gmail account with your child's name, then how to create PDFs. So all these separate videos will be sent on the WhatsApp. Now let's begin with how to log in into Google Classroom with your child's account. So now on my mobile screen here, you can see that I have installed the applications on my home screen. That is, the first one is Gmail, Classroom, and then Document Scanner. So the frequently required applications, you can get it to the home page and keep so that it becomes easier for you to go through these apps. Now let's go to the Classroom applications. That is the second one. You can see the Classroom is written. I'm going to click on the icon, the application. So this is how the page looks. Now as I'm logged in into my account as a teacher, I'm able to see these classes here where I have been connected as a teacher. Now this is very important step. Towards your left side, right at the top, you are having three horizontal lines here. I'm going to click on it. Now you can see the email account in which I'm logged in. So it shows my name here. So what you are going to do is you are going to log into your child's account. This is a very important step. You can see my child's name Parth Khanukar and the Gmail account here. You have to log in into your child's account itself. So I'm going to click on the third one. So as soon as you click on the account, you will come to this screen. Now your child is not added to any of the classroom. That is the reason why you can see that there are no classes here. If again I click on the three horizontal lines on the left side, it shows me on the top I am logged in with my child's name. So this is how it has to look. Now the next step is very important. You can see a plus sign on the right side. You have to click on the plus sign. You'll have two options, join class and create class. Now as a student, you're not going to create any class. The classes will be created by your class teachers. We are going to look at the first option, that is join class. So I'm going to click on the join class. So this is how the page looks. So it says you're currently signed in as. So here also once again you can check under whose account you're logged in. By mistake, if you're logged in into your own account, you can change it to your child's account. Then ask your teacher for the class code, then enter it here. So teachers will give you a class code on WhatsApp. You have to enter the class code here and then you will join the Google Classroom. Now the code which I'm going to use here, it is just for the trial class. So parents, please do not use this code to log in into the account. So such type of class code will be given by the class teacher. Now this class code is having all letters. It might include letters as well as numbers. So I'm going to write the class code like this, and right on top you will see the join option. You have to click on join. So as soon as you log in with the code, you will come to this page. Now as a class teacher, I have created a trial class, that is VPDCPS standard 3. Now you'll have to click on this. So the class teacher's name will come there, Swati Khanukar. So the class teacher's name with the standard. So you have to click on that. You have to click on that class. So this is how the page looks. So what all assignments, what all activities are been given in that particular class will be seen on the first page. Now down you can see three options, that is stream, classwork and people. This is very important. Stream will show you all the assignments or the projects which are been assigned to the students, or the worksheets or the activities or the homework that is being given to the students. The second one is classwork. So if the student has to return the classwork, you'll have to select on the classwork option. And the third one is people. So if you click on people, you will be able to see all the teachers as well as the students who are in this particular class. So now we are going to click on the second option, classwork. Now you can see the first assignment, that is science online test here. So such type of test will be given to you on Google Classroom. So you have to click on it. Now as soon as you click on science online test, you will come to this page. Now listen very carefully. You will not do anything here apart from clicking on the Google Forms sign in. There is a link as an attachment. You'll have to click on it. Now on top you can see science online test, then 40 points, that is 40 marks, add a class comment. You do not have to do anything there. Just below that you have attachment, then there is a link, Google Forms sign in. This is all what you have to do. You have to click on this Google Forms sign in, then you will get the online test form. That is what we are looking for. Now when you look down, your work assigned, add private comment, add attachment. We are not going to do anything here in your work. All what we have to do is in the attachments, Google Form and sign in. I'm going to click on it, Google Form sign in. As soon as I click on this, you will get the online test form in the Google Classroom. So this is how it is going to look. So it will have the school's name, then the email address, full name of the student, then the class, division, and you will see the instructions will be given to you. The time will be given to you, like first unit test, the month and the time. Then general instructions will be given, and these type of questions will be given depending upon which class the child is studying. Now this is very important. Now upload your answer sheet here in PDF format. So we have already seen how to convert the images into a PDF format. So after solving all the questions, these all questions will be given here. You have to solve it on the Fullscape paper. Then you have to scan the answer sheet, make it into one PDF, save that PDF, and then you have the link add file. We have to click on this link and then we have to upload the PDF file. So I'm going to fill the form here. This is how you're going to do it. First, you have to enter the email address of your child. So I'm writing the email address here. So it's parth.khanukar2014@gmail.com. So you're going to write the email address of your child here. Then the full name of the student. Parents, make sure that this child is writing the complete name, the full name with the first name, middle name and the last name. Now here this form is just created for standard 8. Similarly, you will get a form for standard 3. You have to mention the division here, for example 3, whether it is third A, B or C. Then you have to read these questions, answer the questions in the Fullscape paper, on the Fullscape paper, and once it is done, we are going to add the file. So I'm going to click on add file here. Now once you click on add file, you will get the screen here where it says insert file, upload, my drive and previously selected. So we are going to click on the first one itself, upload. Then we are going to select the option select files from your device, which is in center. Now as soon as you click on this option, you will get the screen. Choose an action through camera, voice recorder, camcorder, my files and files. Now we have already seen while creating a PDF, all the files will get stored in my files, the PDF files. So I'm going to click on my files. Then I have already mentioned that you have to keep in mind the path where the file is saved. So I'm going to click on documents because here my PDF files were saved. I'm going to go to download. Now you can see English assignment 2, English assignment. So these were the two PDFs which I had created. I'm going to click on the second one here and then click on done. So you can see here as soon as I upload, it says as English assignment.pdf. So this is how you are going to upload the PDF. So all the pages will be in one single PDF itself, and then click on upload. It will take few minutes. So now you can see that the file has been uploaded. Upload your answer sheet here in PDF format. So you can see the logo of PDF also has come there and it says English assignment. Now once this is done, then you will click on the submit button. Now you can submit this only once. So this is very important that the child will not click on the submit button before selecting the assignment. While selecting the assignment also, parents, you will have to carefully do it and then click on the submit button. So I'm going to click on the submit button now. So once I click on submit button, this is how the page will look. Your paper is submitted. So once you get this message, this means that you have submitted your paper successfully. Parents, it is also important to understand that if you are in one particular application and if you want to go to another application, you should be able to toggle between the windows on your mobile. So mostly on all the mobiles, right at the bottom in the center, you'll either have a button or an icon. If you click it, it will take you to the home screen, and then on my mobile phone here towards the left side you can see three vertical lines. If I click on this, it will show me all the windows which are open. So this way you can toggle between the windows and you can go to a different window and check for the files or documents. So this is how the students will have to log in to the Google Classroom using their accounts and then look for the online test forms and then submit the answer sheets. So this is how you have to follow the steps properly. That is, the first thing is creating your child's account. Second step, installing the document scanner in your mobile phone. Then installing the Google Classroom in your mobile phone. And then logging in to your child's account. And then using the Google Classroom to give the online test. Thank you everyone.